register new faculty department. So if you have an electronic document where you can copy and paste, the safer for you. I have a list of faculty departments which are generated from another source, so I will just copy and paste here. List of faculties and departments. I want to create the faculty of computing. You can type it. Make sure you don't make any errors in typing. Before you do anything, please first of all click add. Faculty department table is empty. If this software is being deployed to a specific department, then you have to only create one faculty department, and the faculty is computing, the department is computer science. Every department normally has a unique 3-letter code which they use in identifying their courses. So for computer science we say CSC, and I click OK. Confirm entry, record posted. The next time try to register a new faculty department, it will not be empty. It's going to show you that faculty of computing is already there, department of computer science is already there.